Snapchat other account login. So basically, if you just log into, if you save your login info on Snapchat and log out from account, so here you see this, it says you saved your credentials. So login back will be easy. You can change the setting from the login screen. So when I log out, I can instantly log into other account just by tapping. And when I log out from this account, here, I instantly can log back into other account. How to do this? So when you try to log in, you need to check this box in the bottom, which just says save login info on your iCloud devices. So that's just basically how it works, and that's how you save your login info. So there you have it. That's the feature. However, some users tell me right now that there is some kind of bug and save login info just not working for some users. Still working for me, but that's what you have.